Hello everybody. So in this particular section we are going to have a YouTube India trending video analysis, that too for year 2017 and 2018. So before telling you every bit of this video, I'll tell you a few things. So this video will there are three sections in this video. One is the very simple analysis. In the next session we have the one step ahead, and in the third page we have two step ahead data analysis. So before doing that, I'll take you through the data of YouTube for India. This is for 2017 and 2018. I'm not getting from where I have downloaded it. I mean, definitely from YouTube, you from Google, but not knowing the exact source, maybe from GitHub or from somewhere else. But anyways, okay. So guys, this color is about this pink color is about the data which I got from Google, and this yellow color indicates that I have customized this for my analysis. Okay, I'll walk you through with each and every column. So the first section tells us about the when the video got on trending. Okay, so this date, so this particular format is not acceptable in Power BI and in our Excel, so I have converted that into a acceptable format. Then we have the title of that particular video, then we have the channel name, category ID, something which is not clearly mentioned here, so we will will not talk about it. Next we have the publish time. So publish time is about when the video got uploaded on YouTube, and the date and the timing. Okay, 12:20 and something that way. What are the tags used in that particular for that particular video? How many views, likes, dislikes, and comments? What is the thumbnail link? So these were the things, and another thing was the description and whether video was few other columns. Okay, whether comment was disabled or not, rating disabled or not, or something other things are also there. I have done another part over here is okay. So just give me a bit. Okay, okay, so you can see publish timing and the date and timing both are together. So yes, I have segregated that. So this is the published date, and what was the month when this video got published. Like November, you can see here, November is also here. That is not required, but just I have done for my just that way only. The day and the timing I have segregated from here, like 12:20, 12:20 is here. Okay, so I hope the column headers are clear to everybody. Now moving ahead in our Power BI thing. So this is the very initial or the very simple analysis which generally then people who are from non-analytics background, they do this sort of analysis. So the graph looks fancy, but I mean nice, but yeah, we will try to see whether they are telling us anything or not. So yes, the guys always put a clear heading to your video which clearly tells what we are going to see in this particular video, in this particular report. Okay, so YouTube India trending video data analysis for 2017 and 2018. So we have 8 months data where 1424 channels uploaded 37,000 videos approximately, where we got these many views, likes, dislikes, and these many comments. Okay, so these are the videos uploaded month on month. How many videos got uploaded in month on month trend of the videos uploaded. These are the views, number of views month by month, dislikes and dislikes by month, and comments by month. These lines looks nicer, but they are not telling us anything. So let's look at this particular tile, views by month. So in January, all of these 1424 channels and who uploaded 37,000 videos, they got 4 million views. I mean, this is okay, but this is not telling me so many things, right? This is not, I'm not able to interpret anything out of these, that in January we got 4 million views and in May we got 6.7 million views. I'm not able to interpret much things out of it. Okay, similarly in likes and dislikes comparison, I cannot interpret anything, that in April there were 8 million dislikes but we have 176 million likes, right? I don't know for which video, which category, and there are so many things which can, make this analysis more strong. So yes, there are few people who are from non-analytics background, they perform such sort of, graphs which looks pretty nicer, but they don't interpret, they don't help us interpret anything, right? So guys, please make sure whenever you are doing any analysis, the data should say something out of this, through which business can make their decisions and they can, evolve out of that. So this is the first part. In this second step, in the one step ahead, what we have done, this is mainly from the if let's say any company wants to run their ads and they reach out to YouTube, so this particular page will help YouTube to identify where, where the video can be posted and where and how they can, set the rates. Okay, so these our numbers are the same again, 8 months, these many channels, videos, and so on. But yeah, in the very first tile we have the top 10 channels with highest video uploads. So we can see here T series uploaded 221 videos in 8 months, right? Speed records this much, and these are the top 10, channels with their number of uploads. In the second tile we have top 10 channels with highest views, highest dislike, highest likes, and highest comments. So sorry. Let me tell you one thing, guys, how this will help YouTube to, identify the segments for, running the ad or to set the rates. So let's say tomorrow, I'll take one random example. Let's say Airtel comes to YouTube and they want to, they are going to launch a new scheme where, they want to reach out to public. So they comes to YouTube and they say, YouTube, hey YouTube, can you tell us, we want to run an ad and we want to reach to the majority of the people. Okay, can you tell us where we should, upload, I mean, where you can run our video so that we get maximum number of reach. So they can say that, oh, these are the top 10, YouTube channels where we are getting, they are uploading maximum number of videos and they are getting these many billion or million views. So yes, then Airtel says, okay, why not? Yeah, this is a best way. But then YouTube say, then YouTube can segregate it that way. So top 5, the rate card will be higher because they have the highest number of views, and this second 5 videos they can lower down their little bit of, rates, and the next upcoming 5, and then and so on, right? Guys, I hope you are trying to, I mean you are understanding what I'm trying to say. Okay, so this is how it is helping. This is helping YouTube, this analysis is helping YouTube to run the ad and to segregate the rate cards as well, right? The top 5 viewers will have different rate cards. The second top 5 views will have different rate card, and then and so on, right? So as per the budget of the company, this analysis can also be very helpful. So if ad agency comes to them and they say that, okay, if let's say we have a category section as well. So if we generally know T series uploads the musical videos, Speed records about something, G music is again musical video, Amit Badana uploads some others, general, or it is mainly about the youth on something, that sort of thing. And if let's say tomorrow Ponds India comes to YouTube and they say that, hey, we want to run our ad and we want to marketize this particular product, so can you tell us where we should run, or where this video, this ad should be run, so that they can get the maximum number of views. So then they can have another filter over here where the beauty is the tag, and from that tag they can filter that, okay, these are the top 5 channels where people are talking about beauty, and you can upload your we can run your ad in these top 5 beauty channels, and these are the number of views these 5 channels are getting, so that you can reach these many million or billion people, right? And this will be the rate card. I hope you are getting it. Okay. Similarly, in the comments section, so these are the top 10 channels where people are leaving their comments. How this can be a helpful measure? So let's say some YouTuber wants to know what people are asking him or her to make a video on. So then, or let's say I'm a new YouTuber and I want to see what sort of people, videos people are looking for, then I can go in these top 3 4 channels and I can read the comments there, and I can understand, okay, people are more interested to watch these kind of videos, and that way. Okay, so I hope you are getting the idea. In the next page, this analysis is more from a YouTuber perspective. If we are a YouTuber, then this will be something helpful for you. Okay, so again, this video is for 2017 and 2018. Now the scenario is changed drastically after the lockdown, so the number look very different now. But from that 2017 and 2018 point of view, this particular tile tells me that published day and the number of views status. So if people are uploading their videos on Wednesday, Tuesday and Monday, they are getting the most number of views. Okay, people who uploaded, or the channels which uploaded their videos on Wednesday, they got highest number of views, followed by Tuesday, Monday, right? And Saturday, Sunday, at that particular, on those particular days, people used to go for outing, so you can see those numbers decreasing over here. But now in 2021 or 2022, the scenario has changed, so these numbers may look different. So yes, from a YouTuber standpoint, you can upload your videos on, we were in 2017 and 2018, then we could have uploaded our videos on Wednesday, Tuesday and Monday to get more number of likes. Okay, so again, the another tile says that published timing and the number of views status. So we have three, in the bottom, this is the timing. Okay, 3 a.m, 6 a.m, 9 a.m, 12 p.m, 15, 18 and 21, 9 p.m. Okay, that way. So yes, these spikes tell us the number of views. So here we can say in the very first spike, we see the timing is 3:45. Okay, so which is around 4 p.m. and in India generally people are, people wake up early in the morning and then they listen these religious songs or bhakti kind of songs. So yes, we can see that this spike is because of that. Maybe I'm just assuming this spike maybe because of that thing. Then the next spike is around 8 a.m. So we can see that generally people tend to leave for their offices around 8 a.m. in the morning, and they want to listen some their favorite songs. So this spike may be because of that. Another spike is around 1:30, or it is around 1. So this is generally the lunch timing in the offices. So generally people tend to listen their favorites in this particular time zone. Again, it's around 6:30. People are now tired of their work, they want to freshen up their minds, and so on and so on, right? So from a YouTuber standpoint, Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday, they are the days where people are getting most number of likes, and these are the timings where people are getting most number of likes. So Wednesday around 4 or around this much timing, you can upload your videos to get maximum number of likes, right? So this is just a very basic thing. So people who are from statistics background, people who understand how inferential and descriptive statistics work, they can have another page over here where they can show the histogram, they can show the box plot and so many other stuff, just to see another angle of this video. They can also plot a correlation graph, how the correlation looks between two variables, and there can be so many analysis in this particular thing. But from a basic analytics point of view, these are the three things. So in the first thing we discussed these, that people generally take two data things and they say that, hey, I have plotted this, but is it making sense? Please make sure that data is telling us something, it is helping us to take some decisions, right? So we saw that in this first tile the graph looks nicer, but they are not telling us anything. And in the second page we understand that, yeah, the graph starts telling us now many things, and we can take business decisions from here. As I told you that YouTube can build their rate cards on the behalf of the number of videos and number of views and so many things. And the third step, from a YouTuber standpoint, I have told you how things can be manipulated from here. So there can be a lot of things which can be played from here. Okay, so guys, whenever you, if you look at the data, right, we did not have that particular thing, right? We do not have this particular thing Wednesday, Tuesday, and what thing. So yes, we did a, little bit data manipulation, data crunching part over here, and then we got to know what was the day when the video was published and what was the timing. So we try to understand the between the line thing, right? So have a perspective, guys. Have a, try to think it from a wider perspective. Try to think it from, a business standpoint, so that you can make good analysis on that. So guys, this is it for today. So if you did really like the video, then please leave your comments on that. Do like, share, and subscribe our channel. And in the comment section, do tell us that what you want us to make the video on, and we will try to make it for you people. So till then, take care. Bye bye.